A medical laboratory scientist analyzes body fluids, blood, tissue, and other specimens from patients. We're able to find out what is the disease, the illness, the infection that is causing the patient's symptoms. And we're able to give that information to the doctor so they're able to treat, diagnose, and kind of monitor diseases for the patient to get better.
Having hands-on within our lab, being directly after our lecture, is fun to see your peers experience a moment where they're like, oh my gosh, I get it. It's those aha moments that we experience in the lab that maybe in lecture we were like, oh, I don't understand that. But now we understand it when we're able to see it directly in the microscope.
Honestly, cohort style for MLS, I think, is a gem. Every student's going through every course. They have the same expectations, they know the stress. But as a faculty member, this gives me an opportunity to build relationships and rapport with my students.